What up, y'all? Hope y'all had a good Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm playing a little more Zelda. Gonna do some belching. Got some Rockstar. And I'm about to kill it in this Zelda game. Watch. I also got me a sparkling cider. He exploded into a Deku scrub. He exploded like a Deku nut. And he screamed into a Deku scrub. I'm gonna be mean to you, punk. And I don't even give a crap what you're seeing, if you're seeing what I'm doing. See if I got that mask. I don't. How am I gonna get all the fairies, dude? Crap. Woo! Yeah, buddy, boo! Good, woo! Good, woo! Yeah, buddy. I keep dropping Deku nuts, dude.
Ugh, that stinks! This place stinks just like that poison swamp!
Oh. That's really good. The bog of eternal stench. Alright, let's see what I gotta do. Go this way. Bom. Yeah, buddy. Ow! That hurt! You jerk! How dare you hurt me! I'm gonna make you weak! The victory belch. I missed! Come on, get over here. Come on, what's up? Get some. Come get some. Come get some. Come get some. Go get some. Boom! Boy. It's a map. Usually I just skip the maps and the compasses. It's like, why do I need that? I have it all in my head. Tells you right there that I need more time to study the map. One more time to study that. Yeah, don't be a busted man. And do what you can. That is grand. I think there's a key in here. Yeah, that's what I thought. I knew where I was going. I just like getting all the items. Thank you very much. Bah! Please don't eat me. Because you know that would be... Oh, man, I just got defeated. Because he didn't need me. He's a fly trap and he's going to be mean to me. Chicken burger loaf is really grand in the land. And you better know that you're going to get the hands. Yeah, you're going to get smacked. I'm glad the lighting got better, dude. Is it recording? Okay. What?
This looks pretty light. Well, don't just stand there. Press A to grab it and use the control stick to move it.
What do you mean move the... I'm using Link. I'm doing it with my hands, you stupid fairy. Hands and feet, boy. Squat day. And it's arm day. Arm day every day. Arm day every day. Every day and every way. What they will say that you gotta hate. Yeah, you gotta debate what you gotta say to me. Oh, what you gonna go and bait me in? Into a trap I ain't gonna be in. And I know that I'm going fantastic and I do what I had to do. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. Oh! Oh, yeah. She's very good. Do some flips. You know what I have to do? Which I should have known. I just like fooling around burping for you guys. Fooling around burping. All right, let's. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad the lighting's better. You guys got this. Well, who's singing in the background, dude? She's kind of annoying. Okay, oh yeah. We go like this. Come on, Spencer. Think. Think, man. I am thinking. Yelling at myself.
He needs to be in a nut house. He needs to be in a nut house.
You need to be in a Deku nut house. And I just totally messed up, dude. I need to be in a Deku nut house. That's what I need to be. That's where I need to be, boy. And these moths, get away from me! Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. I don't have to go in there because it's just a compass. You want me to get the compass? Or do you want me to not get anything and say, beep this? Because I ain't going to be cussing. I'm going to be doing what I have been doing because of it. All these moths are attacking me and it's really redundant. I'm not playing the ocarina. Do the ocarina. Get off me. Oh, that was smooth, Link. Smooth. Okay. Now, should I get the compass or should I just not waste the time? It's just not good. I should not get it. I should not get it. One second.
Be careful, I sense a lot of evil in here.
Look in the mirror. Let me look in the mirror. My ears look okay? I only have one hand. I only have one hand, man! I'm grateful!
Be careful, I sense a lot of evil here.
Okay. Because there is evil! Ah! Oh, snap. I'm getting my butt kicked, dude. Okay. Okay. Calm down.
Hut, yeah! Yeah! Hut, yeah! Yeah! Blah! 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 Blah!
I can't do it.
Blah! Blah! Blah!
It's my imitation of Link. I know it ain't weak. And I know that I'm the greatest, you see, yeah, buddy boy. I'm gonna beat the world record. That's my mindset, dude. Do you have that mindset? You better set up for a good mindset. For a good mindset is the way you get your mindset for success. You better know I'm gonna be the best. And you better know that I'm gonna kill with the torch. And I'm gonna freaking go through the dark and know what I got to do. I gotta be doing what I wanna do, but I gotta do what God do. And that's what I wanna do. That's what I wanna do. This is the hard part. Oh. The thing is, if you go backwards, you can go a little longer. Okay, are you gonna attack me? This is not good. This is not good. They're coming after me, dude. Oh, snap. They want to attack. They want to attack! Oh, man. Attack! That's it. Come on over here, you poop heads. Come on! Bring it on, boy! Yeah! Take that. And I'll poop out a Deku nut. Because I'm a Deku scrub. And I know that they ain't a scrub, but they know that they're gonna scrub and be clean in the tub and know what they got to get the guns. Yeah, I'm gonna get the guns at the gym, and I know that I'm a puncher, Jim, if he messes with him. And I don't see the F word, you see, because I'm gonna... I almost got him, dude. He's gonna get me! Help me! Mama! Help me, Mama! Whoa there, man! I don't even know what to do! Oh, I pooped that Deku nut down! Oh! Sick of doing that! Now, I'm not eating these anymore. I keep pooping them out and causing everyone to be blind! Now, if that was the truth, then it's a lie. And I'm grateful I'm alive, biatch. And I'm grateful that I'm not a thought like you are. Yeah, I'm gonna punch you in your eye.
Oh, look at the bubble. Oh, look at the fairy. Hi, fairy. Hi, you.
That's how they sound.
Oh, yay. Oh, I gotta heal you.
Okay, thank you very much.
That is just so kind of you, little fairy. Well, because I'm a fairy boy, and that's what my name is.
No, Link, don't ever do that again. Don't ever talk like that. That was the example. I'm the example. Oh, I'm getting my butt kicked, dude. Wow. Smack him with the hat now.
Yabba dabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba doo.
That's not how Link talks. Shut up, dude. Okay. Oh, another fairy.
Oh, no, you found a stray fairy. This is your fifth one. Yay! We're dumb. We're dum-dums.
Okay. Let's see here. Yeah. Going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. No, I'm not. I'm going the right way. I'm going the right way. What did you have to say? What did you have to say, Tattle?
What do you think that is? The ashes in the center of it still look fresh.
Yeah, like me. Yeah, buddy boy. I'm on fire too. All right. Yeah, buddy. You better know, because it is a fact that you're going to get smacked, that you're going to lack, because you are, in fact, a dumbass. A dumbass. A dumbass. Oh, boy. Okay, let's go this way. Maybe I should have gone with the compass, dude. But
look, from up here, it looks like you can poop in the toilet.
Really? It smells like poop in here.
It looks like you can poop in the toilet.
Okay, shut up and grow up, Nabby. Shut up and grow up. It's my rap. That's the rap. And you better know that I can't even know what I'm doing, and I gotta do what I'm doing, fluid. He just jumped in the poison. He jumped in the poison, and it annoys him. The poison annoys him, and he knows he doesn't toy with it. Yeah, you better know it's annoying to hear it from the idiots. Yeah. And I don't even know when I'm spitting it. I'm doing it. I know I'm doing it legitimate. I don't know what I'm saying when I'm spitting it. Yeah, the Deku nut. Because I ain't saying nothing. And this guy is an idiot because of it. I'm gonna slice his guts up and punch a bitch. Yeah, that's what he is. Yeah, you better know I go up on the top of the dome. Let's try this. Oh, man. I'm hiding.
Whoa, Chama! You're not gonna get me. I'm going to be.
Okay, it's time to go. What's up? Shut up, Nabby. Or whatever your name is.
My name's not Nabby.
You got torn up, bro. What's up? Link just rocked you. Actually killed him. So, yeah. He's dead now. Try and kill me, dude? Yeah, I don't think so, lizard man. It's Alien versus Predator. Because Link is an alien. Just kidding. Goku's an alien. Did you know that? You did not know that. Goku is an alien. And you better know it's going to be the greatest thing. Okay. Stop doing that, Spencer. Yeah, you better get the senses. Yeah, you better get your senses up. I'm the best at what I do. Oh, yeah, dude. He's humbled. I'm humbled. You better know. Humbled? Yeah. Humbled?
That's really good, Link. That's a good thing to say, man, because you're playing with the word. It's a really good thing to say.
Oh, yeah? Thank you, Tattle. Now quit tattling on me. Is that it, dude? Don't even make it come at me with that, dude. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Okay, what else? We go like this. Boom. And then, where is it? Almost got it. Come on. Woo! Can't do it, dude. With this controller. Come on. There. Now we got it. Yeah, buddy.
Stop yelling at me, Link. I'm always going over there and you want to freaking think you yell at me, yeah?
This is a wrong way. Okay, I'm done. All right, I'll see you guys.